everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine, and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. Today's video is going to be a tutorial where I break down the choreography for Mamma Mia by ABBA. If you haven't seen the short that I posted a little bit ago, you can find the full video there with music. I'll put it in the description below. That way you can learn the dance in this tutorial and then go back and do the dance with music using that video. So let's get into it. So the first 4 steps, we're going to start with 4 running flaps, starting on your right foot. So right, left, 4 running flaps. We have 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, the counts are and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Right after you finish those running flaps, you're going to go into a double cramp roll on your right foot. Double cramp roll again is a brush into a cramp roll. Okay, you're going to do that with your right foot. So we have our 4 running flaps into a double cramp roll. Let's give that a try. 5, 6, 7, 8. And then from here, you're going to do a brush step and brush step. Right foot, left foot. You're just going to pick up your toe and brush step back. Same with the left. Okay, so right after our double cramp roll, brush step, brush step. Okay, so you're going to do this 2 times through. So right after you finish that double cramp roll, brush step, you're then going to start the running flaps on your right foot again. So let's do that 2 times through all together. Here we go, starting from those running flaps. Double cramp roll, brush step, back to the running flaps. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. Nicely done. Good. From here, we're going to go into 2 paradiddles. So we have our right foot ready because we just went brush step. Weight is on the left foot, so right foot's ready to go. 2 paradiddles, right foot, left foot. We have 1, 2, and then a variation on a paradiddle. So the variation is you're going to go dig, spank, heel, and then shuffle right, another heel, and then step heel. So again, the variation is dig, spank, heel, shuffle, heel, step, heel. Good. Try one on your left side as well, because we're going to be doing it on left side too. So left side, dig, spank, heel, shuffle, heel, step, heel. Good. Let me show you from the front what that looks like, or from the side. So dig, spank, heel, shuffle, heel, step, heel, and left side. Good, so we just finished our second time through double cramp roll, brush step. We're going to go into our 2 paradiddles, right foot, left foot. 1, 2, and then the paradiddle variation. And then again, you're going to repeat it left side, 2 paradiddles, paradiddle variation. Good, nicely done. Let's add that onto the top, starting from those running flaps through the paradiddles. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. Paradiddle. Good, nicely done. From here, we're going to do steps, a stomp, and a crawl out. So starting with your right foot, you're going to stomp your foot. Crawl out is then going to go toe, heel, toe on your right foot. Toe, heel, toe. Then you're going to do some brush backs. These are called a back essence. You're going to do 1 on your left. Pick up your left foot. Brush, ball, change, stomp. And then again on your right foot. Brush, ball, change, stomp. Okay? So again, right foot starts. Stomp, toe, heel, toe, and then back essence on your left, and then right. Now you're going to repeat it on your left foot from that stomp, toe, heel, toe. Left foot. Stomp, toe, heel, toe. Back essence on your right now. and then your left. Okay? Okay, so that comes right after our paradiddle and that variation on the paradiddle. So left side was the second time through. Then we have stomp, toe, heel, toe. And then left foot, back essence. Good. From here, we're going to do 2 single time steps, starting on your right foot and then your left foot. And then from here, it's kind of a break, time step that I came up with. Stomp, hop, ball, change. On your right foot, you're going to go stomp, hop, and then ball, change. Okay? So again, right after our crawl outs, this is the second time through. Straight into our single time steps. Then the break. And then a cramp roll on your right. And then step, step, right, left. And you'll hear that step, step, it goes with the music. So it should be able to be obvious where that goes. So from the top, nice and slow with our flaps. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. Paradiddle. Left side. Stomp, crawl out. Left side. Time step. Time step break. Cramp, roll, step. Good, nicely done. So last little bit of this, we're going to do some waltz clogs. So we just finished step, step. We're going to do 2 waltz clogs, once on the right. So right foot's going to go step, shuffle, ball, change. Then left foot. And then step, step, right, left. And then you're going to repeat that again. 2 waltz clogs, right and then left. And then the last little bit of this is just a cramp roll. Again, it goes with the music, so it should be obvious where it is. It's just a cramp roll finishing off those waltz clogs. And that's how it ends. So, again, after those time steps, stomp, hop, ball, change. Then we have our cramp roll. Step, step into our waltz clogs. 2 of them and then a step, step. Again, 2 of them. This time, cramp roll. Good, nicely done. All right, so let's do it from the very top, nice and slow, and then we'll take it up to tempo. All right, here we go, nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Paradiddle. Crawl outs. Left side. Time step. Time step break. Cramp roll. Waltz clogs. Again. Good, nicely done. So again, if you want to do it with music, you can find the previous video. It should be in the same playlist, tap dance choreography and tutorials. It should be that short titled Mamma Mia, ABBA tap dance choreography. That way you can do it up to tempo with the music and hear how it sounds. I will also link it in the description below. So let's try it again, up to tempo now. I'm not going to say any of the steps. I'm just going to do it with you. And yeah, so just one more time, up to tempo. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.